It's finally time for my next motorcycle. This is my 2020 Suzuki V-strom 650. This video is just going to be an introduction to this bike and why I bought it and what my plans are for this motorcycle and for this channel with it. I took it out the other day for its first ride and I'm going to include the footage from that ride in this video. I did some practice drills on it. I rode it around town. It's definitely going to take some getting used to, but I love it so far and I think we'll have a lot of great adventures on this bike. All the basics that I've learned still apply, but I am gonna go slow and cautiously. So I've been riding my tiny Sim Wolf Classic 150 starter bike for over a year now, and as I've expressed in other videos, I'm pretty limited on it. I can't take it on highways, and with 12 horsepower, it's just not a good option for going farther and doing more. A few months ago, I felt I had progressed enough to start looking for the next step forward and started looking for a bigger, more capable bike. I was initially set on the Honda CB500X, but over months I wasn't able to find a reasonable deal on one, around here at least. I had avoided the V-strom because I was intimidated by its size and its height. Big bikes freaked me out, and I wanted to stay on a smaller machine. But I knew that for what I was looking for, I needed to conquer my fear of a big bike. I started timidly looking for V-stroms, and this one popped up, and it was pretty much a perfect deal. It has less than 6,000 miles on it, and the owner took it to a Suzuki dealership to get a pre-purchase inspection. I was extremely nervous about this bike, and I knew I couldn't buy it without test riding it, which worried me. I had never even sat on a big, bulky machine like this before. But when I got on it, the moment I started riding, my anxieties dissipated. It felt incredible. It was smooth and balanced, and I couldn't even feel the weight or height. And that was that. It was my bike. The reason I'm upgrading to a bike like this is because I want to start going farther by motorcycle and taking on bigger stories and bigger trips. I want to camp off the bike and go on multi-day adventures. Yesterday on this ride, I took the bike to a lot to practice a couple of drills. It was uncomfortable, and there will be a lot of getting used to this bike. But I proved to myself that the size of the bike doesn't matter. The techniques are essentially the same. Alright, so what do I want to start with? I want to start with emergency stopping. And yeah. Start right here. Okay, there we go. Good. That's fine. Look out, there's a patch of sand here. Very nice. Okay. I'm gonna try the U-turn box. Yep. There you go. You're a little outside, but that's the general idea. There we go. There you go. Yep. That's good. That was good. You have to, I think you have to get that feeling of kind of falling over. All right, I'm calling it. It is so hot. I've sweated through everything, and I gotta get back. I'm gonna call it here. It's really hot. But that was good. That wasn't, you know, it's better than I expected it. I did the exercise, the 2 drills that I wanted to do, and you know, I'm able to do them. Alright. Oh, at least get some air blowing through me. Wow. I underestimated the heat today. Yeah, that's on me. That was stupid. Okay. Gotta get used to it. Gotta get used to it. That was a downshift too early, I think. I needed to brake a little bit more. Thanks for watching this motorcycle introduction video. Obviously, I'm very excited to start using this bike and get going on other adventures. I'm going to take my time, get comfortable on it, and slowly start pushing out farther and further. Thanks so much for watching. More to come as always. Thanks for coming along.